How to turn on or turn off sound and vibration notifications for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the text messages app. Now after that, tap on the picture profile icon. Then we go down and tap on messages settings. Now in here, tap on notifications. After that, we tap on the sound and vibration. Tap on the toggle button to turn off sound and vibration for messages, or you can turn it on. Now, by turning off sound and vibration, you still receive notifications, but it won't vibrate and it won't raise any alert sound. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages list, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can turn on or turn off sound and vibration for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, or the Ultra. Thank you for watching.